What's up guys, it's Matt Collins-Jones here, also known as D365 Geek, and today we are talking about Microsoft Flow, and we are talking about variables, and we are going to look at incrementing variables. So what is increment variable? So increment variable is a way for you to update a variable by a set amount that you want. So for instance, if you have a variable that is just an integer and has the value of 5 and you want to add 5 to that variable all the time, you can use the increment variable. This is particularly handy if you are updating that variable at a later point and you then need to add something onto it as well. So let's take a look at it. So we're in our Microsoft Flow here. We have a manual trigger and we are we are initializing a variable called test v1, which is just an integer and has a value of 10. So we can click on new step, we can go to built-in, we can expand the list and go to variables, and we can go to increment variable. So here it is asking me for the name. So this is the name of the variable that we've set up here. So not the name of the step, but the actual name of the variable itself. Then we can update with the value. So again, it's very important that the value that we're adding here matches the type of value that we're adding in. So I can't put in something like false, or I can't put in a JSON array here. I have to put in an integer for this to work. So if I want to add, say, 5 onto this, I can add 5, and again, clicking into here, we can see we actually get some dynamic content. So again, if we're getting content in from another place, so say SharePoint or Twitter or CDS or Nav or any other place, we can actually put that into there. As long as the types match, we can then update it by that set amount. So let's test this and see what it looks like. We'll hit run flow, we'll click done, see it run successfully. So it initializes the variable with a value of 10, and then we are incrementing it by 5, which means the output is 15. So again, this is really useful, especially if we want to increment it by something else. So for instance, we could count the number of attachments on an email, and we could store that, and we can create a variable with the input of 0, for instance, count the number of attachments on an email, and then use that count to then increment the variable here. So that's where this could be useful, for instance, or any other use case that you've got. If you do have a use case for this, let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, please please share it with your friends. If you've not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit me up on Twitter at D365Geek. We can have a conversation about Microsoft Flow or anything on the Power Platform. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time.